Hi everyone. In this video we are going to see how we can install Power BI modeling MCP server in Visual Studio Code and also in Cloud Desktop. So for this tutorial, first we need Power BI Desktop to be installed in our PC, and we also need Visual Studio Code, which is simple. We can go to the Visual Studio Code and download and install in our PC. In the same way, we have to install Cloud Desktop in our PC. Now we'll see how we can install this Power BI modeling MCP server and how we can connect it to our Power BI report. So let's check the Visual Studio Code first. So in the Visual Studio Code, it's very simple. We can see the extensions option here. We have to come here and we have to search Power BI. So here Power BI modeling MCP server is here. So we just have to click on install and it is installed. It is as simple as that. So now how we can use Power BI modeling MCP in Visual Studio Code. So in the Copilot chat, we have to just use the Power BI modeling MCP. So we can see check Power BI here. See, here is the Power BI modeling MCP. And I have already opened the Power BI report itself here. So it is opened here, data model is here, it is opened in my desktop. So now in the Copilot chat, we are going to just say connect to my open Power BI desktop. So let's do the allow in this session. See, now it is connected to my Power BI desktop instance successfully. So let's say list the tables. So see, now it is able to see the tables here. So which is the same product, shipment, people, calendar. So now we have successfully installed Power BI modeling MCP server in our Visual Studio Code, and we can use the Copilot chat to connect it to our open Power BI desktop report. Now in the Cloud Desktop, the problem is we don't have extension option here, and obviously the Power BI modeling MCP server is a Microsoft product, and Visual Studio Code is also a Microsoft product, so it's easy to install it here. But how we can install in Cloud Desktop? So it's simple. In the Cloud Desktop, we have to go files, and here we can see the settings options. Click on the setting, and in the developer option we can see the edit config option. So just click on that. So now it is redirecting me to Cloud Desktop config.json file. Let's open this. Okay, so this is a Cloud Desktop config JSON file where we have to place the this Power BI modeling MCP server path, so that the MCP server which is installed through VS Studio, it will be able to utilize by Cloud Desktop also. So now we have to find the path of this Power BI modeling MCP server. So it's easy. So let's go to our PC, and most of the time it's in the users, and for me it's my this, and here we can say .vs code. Open this, and now we have to open extensions, and here in the extensions we can see analysis services Power BI modeling MCP. Just open this, and in this we have to open server, and now here we can see Power BI modeling MCP application file. So just open it. So now it is open. So now we can clearly see we have MCP configuration for manual registration. So just copy this. So actually this is a path which is redirecting to that Power BI modeling MCP application. So just copy this, and now we have to update this MCP server in our Claude JSON file. So let's paste it here. So I think we need one comma here. I think this should work. Let's save it, and let's just copy this, and we'll go to here, and in the Copilot chat, well, let's close this. In Copilot chat, I will say fix the config JSON file for Claude Desktop. So now what will happen? Copilot chat will fix this config file itself. See, so there was wrapper was missing. So let's allow this. Let's skip it. See, now it is fixed. So if you see here, it has changed this to MCP servers, and earlier it was something like this: servers, Power BI modeling, MCP. But if we are going to use this directly, it most of the time it is not going to work. But it's just simple. Just ask Copilot chat itself, or maybe Chat GPT, or just ask Claude Desktop also you can ask, and it will fix the config file itself. So now the file is fixed, and now I will close the Claude Desktop, and I will open the Claude Desktop again. Now let's go to the files settings and check in the developer whether it is installed or not. Okay, so it is not visible here. So let's close this, and now what I will do, I will open Task Manager, and I will close the Claude Desktop from here. So I will end the task from here. Now I will open the Claude Desktop again. Now let's go to the files settings and developer. See, now we are able to see the Power BI modeling MCP. So technically what happens when we have just closed the Cloud Desktop from here, it is not closed, it was running in background. So that's why either you can just restart your laptop or desktop, then it will again, then when you will start your laptop again and you will open the Cloud Desktop, it will load the Power BI modeling MCP. But as of now, we don't need to like restart our laptop. We can just go to the task manager and just end the task from there, and when we will again open the Power BI, like when we will again open the Cloud Desktop, it will reload the Power BI modeling MCP. So now let's check from here. Also we can see the connection Power BI modeling MCP. So let's see how we can use it here. Connect to open Power BI desktop. See, found it connecting now to your open Power BI desktop file. See, so now it is connected to my this Power AC Sales Dashboard Prano as file. So this is how you can install the Power BI modeling MCP in VS Studio and Cloud Desktop. Thanks for watching.